What's going on, guys? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video I wanted to give a update on this particular channel, and also I'll show you the other channel that we have actually been building. As you can see, this channel is a short space channel, and it should be monetized in maybe 3 or 4 hours from now because the views hasn't been updated. So on this particular channel, like I said, it is a short space channel, and you do need 10 million views and also 1,000 subscribers to be actually monetized with your short channel. And once it is monetized, we'll be hitting some good numbers. So I cannot wait to share the results with you. And if you haven't seen the me building this channel from scratch, from ground zero, you can just go back to the channel and watch those videos, right? So as you can see, almost like hitting 1 million views every 48 hours, and as the subscribers increase, the views will also increase with that, and we got like a lot of videos actually going viral. And pretty much we just consistent on this channel, close to about 10 million views in the last 90 days, as you can see. And the highest day that we have actually had, 549,000 views, almost close to about 550,000 views that we have actually hit on this short channel. And pretty much really excited to grow this short channel. We have actually grown another channel, but that channel is a little bit smaller than this channel is just started to pick up like big time, and that's what I wanted to bring to you. So the thing that I wanted to bring to you, so it can add a lot of value to you, is pretty much if you're getting started with YouTube automation business model, a lot of gurus actually preaching like you need to create long form content so that way you can put multiple ads. Okay, but if you don't have the money to actually hire the team, you don't have the money to outsource the content creation, I believe shorts is the good way and the best way for you to learn the skill set. And that way, once you do start making a little bit of money, that way you can just invest that money, and then after you've got success with your short channel, then create long form content channel. Because with short channel, you can pretty much do everything on your own, right? You can do the edits yourself, and most of these videos, they don't even have like voiceover stuff like that, right? So it's just music playing in the background, and pretty much this style of video doesn't take long to create. And so that way you can learn the skill set, and that way once you start getting a bit of income coming in your channel, that way you can just invest into longer form content channel, right? And it is like easier to grow a short channel compared to a long form content channel. And even if you gonna outsource this style of content, you don't not gonna be paying that much to create the content for this style of channel, right? So really excited, and I'll probably be doing another video maybe in a few days up from now, so that way I can start showing you the earnings for this channel and also the growth of this channel as well, right? So really exciting stuff. And I'll also be making more videos about shorts, because on my channel I've been creating videos about how I'm actually earning income from like long form content channel, but recently I've started growing short channel, and I'm actually having a lot of fun doing that, right? So this is should be monetized, I'd say, in a few hours from now, and I'll be showing you the details once it actually gets monetized. Here's another channel that I wanted to share with you. We've started this channel, it was just a testing channel for us, right? And once we started getting momentum. The highest day we actually hit was like close to about $42-45, right? Still, it's not a lot of money, but still, like, consider like this is a baby channel, and we actually growing it, having a lot of fun actually growing it. Few videos have started going viral, and pretty much being consistent, but like we decided to actually sell this channel. So if you actually wanting to get into YouTube automation, and pretty much you're looking at ways like how you're gonna be hiring team, what niche to get into, and pretty much you don't know anything about YouTube automation, you can reach out to me. I'll leave a link in the description and also in the comment section. You can connect to me. I'll share this channel with you. If you like it, you can take this channel. If you don't like it, hey, I'll also be giving you some of the niches that's actually blowing up right now, right? And this channel, to be honest, like we started with the already monetized channel, and that's how we start all our channels. We start with the already monetized channel. So that channels, we start earning from day one. Like we don't have to wait to actually get monetized. We have a team in place to actually monetize our channels, and once we do start uploading, get views. From those views we start to make money, right? So very, very easy. It's already hitting like $200 days. So we haven't uploaded that many videos, but like you'll be getting some good numbers like once whoever actually gets this channel be creating video ideas and everything. Like I'll explain like how I actually go about getting the video ideas, how I actually, what things I actually give the team, so the team knows what to do, so they start creating videos and pretty much upload on this channel, get views. From those views we're making income, right? Most of you actually know about what is YouTube automation. YouTube automation is a business model where we actually making money from faceless content, and we uploading these videos on as long as we have like already monetized channel. It's already got like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hours. Once we create these videos, we upload on channels, depends on whatever niche we actually get into, and once we upload, we get views. From those views we make money, right? So that's one of the ways. There's like a lot of different ways to be earning income from your faceless channel, but this is most of the popular ways that people actually start earning from their channels. Okay, so those are the two channels I wanted to share with you. But if you're actually new to YouTube automation, this is the training that you're gonna be watching. This is like a free training, so you're gonna be clicking on the playlist, and there's actually a lot of videos in here. You can get a lot of value from these videos, and I've actually spent close to like more than $10,000 to actually learn this stuff, and I'm actually giving it for free. So I hope you got some value. If you wanna watch some of our clients interviews, you can watch this, and also some of the videos that I've actually done, and some of the step-by-step process that I share with you. You can watch this one here, print 5K to 10K doing this method, right? Very easy method. You can just start doing, and pretty much some of our clients who started got like $1,500 in just 30 days. So just mind-blowing. So you can watch that, and like there's a lot of videos in here, so you can get a lot of values and understand what this business model is about and how we actually earning from faceless content. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you want to get in touch with me, you can just click the link in the description and or in the comment section and connect to me via Facebook. If we want to know about like the channel that we're selling, so you can get more information, and we can share in there, and I can answer all your questions in there. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye for now. Ta-da.